Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So let's start our journey. So we are going to Thottikallu Waterfall, which is very near to Electronic City, and it will be around 22 kilometers from Electronic City Phase 1. And here you can see, we are going through the Bannerghatta National Park. So we are going through Bannerghatta National Reserve Forest, and you can see the view. The beauty of the nature. यहाँ पे आपको लेफ्ट साइड में देखिए फेंसिंग दिख रही है. ये बनरघट्टा नेशनल पार्क है, इसलिए इधर फेंसिंग की गई है कि कोई भी एनिमल बाई चांस आता भी है तो वो रोड पे ना आए. So here you can see on the left side they are fencing so that animal could not come on the road. And here you can see mountain, right? If you are able to see, on the left side of road there are mountain actually. According to me, this is a good place to visit during weekdays, or you can say weekend. During weekend it is very crowdy, so it's better to go in weekdays, and maybe in the morning time it's much better because there will be very less crowd if you're going on weekends. So we are almost reached near to Thottikallu Waterfall. It is my recommendation that don't park on first parking area, because the first parking area is around 1 kilometer far from waterfall. So it is better to park on second parking area where the price is around rupees 50, and this parking is the first parking and the price is around 100 rupees.
उधर नहीं बेटा
पानी
पानी है चलने.
So now we are going to start trekking. So we need to trek a bit to reach waterfall, and if you want to go on the top of the waterfall, it is very difficult to reach there because it is very slippery over top. So it is better don't go up to top when you are going with your family kid. Now you can enjoy trekking. It's difficult, but let's see. Wow, what a beautiful waterfall. I mean, currently we are on top of the waterfall, and you can see the beauty of water which is going downstream. And now this is why we came here to see waterfall. It is December month, but still you can see a lot of water which is coming from the top. So best time to visit, I don't know when, but I believe during rainy season it will be more water, but it will be very slippery. You cannot come here, I think. I forgot to tell you that please don't forget to bring your own food here because there are not much food options available here. So now it is sunset time, so we are thinking to go back to home, but it was really very good experience. Thank you for watching the video. Please do subscribe, like and share my video as much as possible. Thank you very much.